Greetings, this is Mark Weithorn here, your real estate trainer with your 2-minute tech tip. This video is step 1 on how to start making money as a realtor. As a realtor, you must learn how to get leads. This is a very competitive business, and no one is going to hand them to you. The first step is to have a good online presence. Before doing business with you, new clients will look you up in Google. If what comes up looks like scrambled eggs, they will consider you a rookie and will move on to the next realtor. First, you must have an MLS IDX websites. These websites automatically import all the listings from the MLS. It shows all the property information, but leaves off the listing agent's name and number, so the client must contact you. This is a great tool to get your clients away from searching on Zillow and Realtor.com. Next, you must have a Facebook business page. Please check out my other video on how to set up a Facebook business page. You will also need to set up an Instagram business page and a LinkedIn page as well. Lastly, make sure you have a proper photograph of yourself. No quickie selfies on your iPhone. Invest in a good photo. Make sure the lighting is good. Have them shoot you on a white background and do not crop off your shoulders or arms. This will separate you from the majority of realtors. Well, that's it for step 1. Please stay tuned for step 2 on how to start your real estate business. My name is Mark Weithorn with Showcase Websites. We have been creating websites for realtors for close to 20 years now. You can visit us at dpishowcase.com. And please remember to subscribe and to like my YouTube channel to get updated videos. Thanks for listening to my 2-minute tech tip and have a great day.